Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So a few videos back you definitely saw me trying those hair curly things and I told you that video will be up in a while. Guys, it's the time. The video is here. So we are going to test these from Bronson and definitely my hair isn't curly anymore because I did something to my hair. I wanted them to look sleeker and stylish because I want to go for like a full ham photo shoot after this because my hair needs to make debut on my Instagram in the pictures, right? So yeah, I did that. So if you want to see if the heatless curl thing with these Bronson curls actually work, if it is worth the money, if you should try this, watch the full video, guys. It's very cold. You know, it's so cold. I don't know if camera can pick it up. There is smoke out of my mouth. It's cold. So yes, let's just move into the video right now. Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also, follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them and just follow me everywhere. Okay, so let's just jump right in. I'll be using these rollers. These are from Bronzer. So basically these are called Bronson Professional Hair Curling Rhodes Roller Hair Stick pack of 10. It's not like a road roller, it's like rod, ROD rod. So this is that. So it costed rupees 250 rupees and because I got it from sale, I got it for 175 rupees. So this is how it looks. It is a pack of 10. Now I believe you can find these type of rollers, road rollers, in many other variants from many other sellers, from Amazon, from many other brands also, on a much cheaper rate or some similar rate. And this is like what it looks, and this is quite flexible, bendable kind of thing. So yes, that is that. Now if you didn't get the memo, I got my hair colored red. It might look like a browner side, but it is actually red. It's my hair is wet, that's why you cannot see the actual color, but it is red, more like wine color. So yes, now what I'm going to do is I am going to partition my hair into 3 sections. My hair is wet because I just washed them, so I'm doing this on a freshly washed hair because you know wet hair is more easier to curl. So we'll take and section the hair. So this is my first section, then this is going to be the second one. We don't have to be very precise, we'll just do it, you know, the way we can. The second one, and this is the third section. Now my hair is more on the longer side. You can definitely work with 3 sections. If you have much longer hair, I think 3 sections are workable. If you have shorter hair, you can go with 2 sections. We'll start with the hair and like this. You have to, oh, it's coming out. So you have to do it like this so that your hair just gets stuck in the middle and doesn't come out. That is why these are so fluffy. I didn't do it right, although okay, we'll try with the other section. I don't know how to do this. This is the first time I'm doing it. Yes. Okay, let's do with another section. So I am going to make 3 sections of this. So one section is of this length. Okay, I think I have figured out how to do this. So basically what you do is I'm taking this and I'm starting from the bottom, rolling around like this, right? Then you just twist it from here, then you twist it from this side and secure it in place. Yes, that is how you do it, I hope. Okay, taking the last portion of it, we are going to make 3 sections. No, actually we are going to do half and half thing. Let's partition the hair according to the partition I make. So this is going to be 1, and I still have like 5 left. So yeah, I'll make 2 sections of it. And then for this I'm going to make 3 sections. Oh my god, this is so bad, guys. I mean, I am really bad at it. This is really not happening. This is a very ugly curling practice, which I literally am not a master of. I'm still amateur at it, but let's just hope it works. We will have to make it work. I mean, I am a little experimental today with the curling part. Okay, so this is how it went. I think it's fine. Now on the pack it says leave it for 40 minutes after applying it. You can blow dry it, and you can apply heat on everything. I think I will blow dry it after a while. Let me just wait for 40 minutes. Right now it is 2:20, so 40 minutes would be exactly 3 p.m. By the time, let me do some eye makeup, because that is what I'm going to do today. So yes, let me do that and I'll return right back. Okay, so it has been 40 minutes already, and I don't wish to keep it any longer because it is kind of bothering me at this point. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take my dryer. This one is from Vega, if you can see already, and I'm going to plug it in. We are going to blow dry the hair a little bit. Let me start unrolling them. Let's start with this one first. Where is the curl? Okay. Okay, so this is how the curls have appeared. And yeah, I mean, if you're going to keep it for much longer time, definitely they will be better, right? I don't have that kind of time, so I didn't go for like a whole lot of curls. This is basically how the curls have turned out, and my hair is pretty much curled. I mean, it really is. These are how the curls have appeared. I mean, 40 minutes isn't enough, definitely, we know that. And because my hair was very wet, it still is very wet, so definitely you have to keep for more than 40 minutes, then only you're going to have like pretty fine curls. I mean, even this is fine, this is better than the normal hair, but am I like very overwhelmed with it? No, but you know, honestly, I haven't given it like enough sufficient time. So definitely, if you're going to put them and sleep with them, I think that can be a better kind of option. So definitely, do I recommend these? I mean, if you are into curling a lot, definitely you can try them. If you are not much into curling, I would rather say leave them. You don't need them. You can just curl your hair with the iron, which is enough. So yes, that's it. So yes, guys, so this is it for today's video, guys. Subscribe to my channel and like the video if you literally like this video, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.